Good evening, folks. Welcome to another edition of Stocks and Slides with your man. Well, how about that? Sell the SunDial arms, ring the bells, folks. We are on 5 green days in a row. Man, this is stupendous. It's been a while, folks. I hope everybody made some money today. And I hope, everybody's investing wisely and smart. And only invest in what you're willing to lose. Kind of like gambling. Anyway, before we get started, if you please hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. So, let's talk about AMC. AMC is continuing to rise. And then we're going to take a quick look at SunDial. And then we're going to talk about what did I do today? Which was great. Made some money. First, let's look at AMC, folks. AMC up 43 cents today. I mean, this thing is moving along with the market too. This one is having equally green days. So maybe that's the secret. If AMC, if the market's green, AMC is going to continue to pump. Again, we're not going to count valuations and fundamentals with AMC because who cares about that these days? Let's just continuing to buy and keep pumping it up. And that seems to be what's happening with AMC. So we had a day's high today of 1087, a day's low of 990. Like I said, up 43 cents today, 4.37%. We've had a light volume today of 83,933,589. Well, this looks good, folks. Look at this bid and ask size, 10,100 over 200. This is very significant, folks. This could work out to be a stupendous day for AMC. This is very unusual. Over 10,000 orders being or bids in of orders to be purchased, and only 200 sales right now. This is a great indication that this thing definitely should start off on the right foot tomorrow. This ought to be interesting, folks, and I'm going to emphasize, look for a great day starting tomorrow with this. This looks good. This definitely is setting up for something. There is something brewing for sure. So let's look and see how this actually did today. Let's look at the one-day chart here. All right. Well, so here's the earnings. This came out, I think this came out on the 10th. So this came out yesterday. So this actually, the earnings did affect the AMC stock. But I think whatever damage the earnings would have done, this has done it. This is what happens. AMC didn't meet their earnings expectations. They obviously didn't make much money. Everything shut down. No surprise. Everybody's like, oh no, quick sell off. Boom. All right, damage is done. Okay. And the damage is very minor. the damage is very minor, folks. So it looks like it was at $11.90 or so before the earnings came out. And then once the earnings came out, it dropped to about, around $10.15 a share, and it's stabilized. Everybody's over the earnings. We know what the earnings sucked, but hey, it's okay. We're going to continue to pump this up, and that's what's happening. So that is what AMC. So yeah, this is very significant for tomorrow, folks. So I would expect AMC to continuing going forward should start off on the right foot, and it could start off on the right foot tremendously. All right, so let's look at SunDial. Let's see what SunDial did today. Oh, SunDial had a great day today as well. Look at here, up 11 cents today, up 8.40%. It's pretty good. We had a day's high of 142, which is where it closed at. So this was really good for today. Today's low of $1.31, which is where it opened up. So this one continuously was going up today. We had an average volume of SunDial of 253,105,596. What we got here with a bid and ask currently, 17,200 over 99,800. A little more selling looks like it's going to take place in the morning. With that being said, this could start off going down in the morning if you go specifically by that. Of course, this will change throughout the whole day, but if the way it stands right now, this stock should go down in the morning because there is, over 70,000 more orders to be sold than being bought in the morning. So this is, so that's what SunDial should do in the morning, unless, of course, these orders could change throughout the night. But the way it stands right now, if the market opened up right this second, this stock should go down according to that. So a good. Okay, so SunDial, apparently it had a big jump here. Why did it go up? Why does it go up? So something's created this jump today at about 150. All of a sudden, boom, I guess maybe there was just a big purchase all of a sudden, I would imagine. I don't know if there was any news. Is there any news on there's always talks of legalization in the U.S., present growth opportunities for cannabis companies. That's every day. That's every day. So that's really not news. So SunDial a few days ago was at $1.16, and I mentioned it did appear that it was creating some sort of support at $1.16, and it seems to have held true. It railed that support for a couple days and did not really drop below that. And then since then, it has been flowing with the market as it should. If the market's pumping green, if there's any, then the other stock should follow. So this one is falling in line with all the market right now. Now, of course, if this was falling red, then and the market's green, if this stock is going red and the market is going green, there's an issue. But if the market is going green and this is going green as well, and this was very significant today. I don't know what's caused this last minute increase. Obviously, I don't know if there's some inside buying. Someone just came in and bought, mucho grande shares or so. But yeah, but the way it stands right now, this should go down in the morning a little bit for a little while if this does not change. So that is SunDial Growers. Now let's see what I did. Well, check it out. Another green day for me. My account went up another $322. I actually had 2 earnings come in today. Between after hours and pre-market hours. We'll get into that in just a second. But first, let's talk about my marijuana stock. And if y'all haven't yet, y'all should check out MRMD. This sucker's it's very low cost right now, and they have some very spectacular fundamentals and valuations, which I do not see that SunDial has. So this one's MRMD. It's worth checking out, guys. So I'm in at this stock at 89 cents. I purchased it 3 weeks ago. It has, after I bought it, the market went to crumbs and I got toast, so, but the market, everything's moving along with the market as it should. Had a 2-cent gain today. Like I said, I'm still down about 9 cents. My market value of this, of course, is, $1166.40 on 1,458 shares. Overall, down $142.88. Hope to get that back up soon. SDPI earnings came in, and they actually beat their earnings by 50%. So it's just skyrocket. But apparently someone's going to have to be the bearer of bad news. And they came in after the earnings and said, even though we beat the earnings, we are we are still affected by the pandemic, and we're not looking at, our overall net income to surpass the 2019. So in other words, they said, yes, we beat our earnings, but hey, we got lucky, and our future's looking dim. So they're not expecting much from this. So that hurt this stock after the earnings. The earnings came out, it went up. Then whoever came out and said the bad news, well, it dropped 3 cents out of the day. So, all right, here's another PFIE, Proforce Energy. Their earnings was last night post-market, and since then, it's moved forward. They beat their expectations, and they're continuously going forward. So that's helping this stock out. I've got a purchase price of here. I'm in at $1.27. It's $1.28, so I'm finally in the green on one after 3 long weeks. Here's my other one, ARC. ARC is now up at $2.36, had a 12-cent gain today, 5.35%. I own 2,000 shares of this. This is my biggest holding. Right now it's count value at $4,720, had a day gain of $240. It's been a long time coming, folks. I've seen this sucker as low as $1.95 last week. So it's gaining 9 or 10 cents a day, and me making $20 a penny or losing $20 a penny. I'm still down 300 overall, but the future's looking bright for ARC. Well, that's what I did, folks. Made a little money, and that's what I did. That's what AMC did. That's what SunDial did. That's what I think SunDial's going to go. That may be where I see AMC going to go. So anyways, if y'all haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe button. Be greatly appreciated. And can we make it 6 days in a row? Can we have another green day tomorrow? Fridays are historically known as sell-offs. But with all the stimulus action and all that going in, I think we're going to keep it pumping. And last I heard, the futures are actually up. So that's a good sign, folks. And anyways, thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a great night. Thanks for watching.